It started a long time ago, I think in the 70s, when the first European bison were brought to Romania by National Forest Administration, and free, let's say, semi-free enclosure were established. And after that, the idea of releasing bison, it was, let's say, reopened in 2000. In 2003, due to a World Bank project, the first animal were brought to here, to Vânători Neamț. Also, the infrastructure were built. So, in 2012, we started to release the first 5 animals, and after that, till 2019, each year, 3, 4, 5 animals were released. There are main goals and many goals. And the one is to reestablish key species in the ecosystem in order to have a good balance between open fields and forest. Another one is to recover a national symbol, because the European bison, it's one of our Romanian and Moldavian symbol, in order to provide also, let's say, a boost for local economy, because nowadays the symbol and not only the symbol, only the simple presence of European bison in freedom, it's used by different commercial actors, speaking about handicrafters, about touristic companies, and in order to, let's say, to fulfill some of EU regulation related with nature. It's a natural forest, more than half. It's older than 100 years. It's a natural forest with natural regeneration. Beech is the most common species, around 40% of the total area, followed by silver fir, around 25%, then spruce 15%, and the rest it's different kind of deciduous species, especially oaks.
We do not know very well the concept of rewilding, as far as we are living within the forests. The forests are present everywhere, and the nature is still present in our normal life. So the dominant perception, for instance, about the nature is that we are living with nature. We have some conflicts, of course, we have some problems, but somehow rewilding is part of our life, even if we didn't put this name on the way our relationship with the nature. Romanian forest management have identified since very long time ago, in the beginning of 1950, 1960, some people have identified the very precious pieces of forest that should be preserved. So we have started their strict conservation even at that time. Of course, today we want to expand the area of this protected forest, and the idea is that expanding is not only for the strict protection, because taking into account the challenges of the climate change, we need to think about the system of active conservation measures that will help us to conserve the forest and not to have to deal with catastrophic events related to forest fire, to droughts, or to large insect attacks. In Romania, we still have a lot of wild animals, and reintroduction of wild animals that were living before in Romania. It's an initiative that is really well perceived by the people.